welcome back to another video. The Christmas markets have just started to appear, and so mulled wine is appearing everywhere. Trying to get in the prep mode for Christmas, for festive baking. Not quite going full out yet. I just want a little hint of Christmas in my everyday. So what we're doing today is we're making a mulled berry jam. This is great for just a hint of, as I say, festiveness on some toast, or in some festive baking, which is coming next week. So make lots of this and have leftovers for next week for what's coming then. So it's super simple. I've just got 200 grams of mixed berries, 100 grams of caster sugar. I've then got half a cinnamon stick, 5 cloves, 3 cardamom pods, half a teaspoon of allspice, and nutmeg, which I'm going to grate. It'll be about half a teaspoon of that. Half an orange, which I'm just going to juice. I've already zested the orange. Now we're just going to heat this until the sugar has dissolved and everything starts mixed together well, and then bring it to the boil, turn it down to simmer and leave it for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. So it's all cooled, stuck it in a bowl to cool it down a bit quicker, and then into a jar, stick it in the fridge, and try and remove as much of the spices as you can. Cloves are a bugger to get out. Come back next week for a very special recipe, including this. Bye!